Hi there, Mr. Holcomb here with another episode of The Math Behind the Modules.
Okay, so in this problem, the weight in the figure shown above is to be raised by means of the rope attached to the truck. If the truck moves forward 10 feet, the weight will rise, blank. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw little red marks here. This pulley is stationary. It's attached to the ceiling. This pulley is stationary. It's attached to the floor. They are not going to move. So when I have a force being pulled and this is moving 10 feet, this does not affect its distance, so it's going to move 10 feet here as well. So nothing has changed yet. Come around here, and the 10 feet is going to be now shared between these two distances. But this pulley right here is going to move up. It is not attached to the floor, it's attached to the weight, and the weight is going to rise. So the distance needs to be split. If this goes up 5 feet, and this gets pulled 5 feet, then the pulley itself is going to rise that split distance of 10 divided by 2 ropes. 10 divided by 2 is 5 feet. Okay, in this question, it's the same type of question. So the first thing I will do is mark stationary pulleys in red. This is not moving, it's attached to the floor. This is not moving, it's attached to the ceiling. This is not moving, it's attached to the ceiling. The only pulley that is going to move is this one. The weight's going to get lifted. This pulley is going to rise up. But if you circle right here, there are 3 ropes. So this distance and this distance and this distance all are going to get shorter because the rope's getting pulled up. So if we are going to raise the tank 6 feet, that means this piece has to be shortened 6 feet, this piece has to be shortened 6 feet, and this piece has to be shortened 6 feet. So if you just circle the pulley that's moving, you see how many ropes there are in that circle, and you divide by that value. So if I want the ropes each to shorten by 6 feet here, this has to be 6 feet shorter, this has to be 6 feet shorter, and this has to be 6 feet shorter. 6 times 3 is 18 feet in this direction, 18 feet in this direction. Okay, hopefully this makes sense to you. Whatever rope's length changes is what you divide by or multiply by, depending on what direction you're going.